going on, my fellow YouTubers? You can see we're in the vehicle right now, and the reason I am here is because I want to talk to you about a product that I'm currently using in my vehicle. So this is going to be a good one for you overlanders or people who like to travel a lot. So with that, stay tuned.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
We are back. And you know, sometimes you just really need to do your filming in your vehicle. So with that, you kind of need a product that's going to help you in that process. So what we have today is a product by NiteIze. Okay, so the product we're going to be discussing today, the Nite Ize Steelie. And you know, I picked this up the other day at a sporting goods store because the one that I had, or the actual window mount phone doodad that I had, started to melt, of all things. It started to melt. It was literally, the suction cup was melting. It was gooey all around it, and it was just sliding down my windshield. Well, I started looking at some of the ones, the cheaper ones that you can find at like Walmart or like O'Reilly's and shit like that. And there's some sort of gooey, like, substance that they put inside of the suction cup. I guess it's supposed to help it seal better. Well, I didn't want one of those, and I had a hard time trying to find something. Well, I just happened to stumble across this one. It's a product by NiteIze. As you can see, got the cup right here. Magnetic. You know, I've owned a few magnetic car mounts. Be driving down the road, doing an overlanding experience, heading on some back roads and stuff, and it just pops right off, falls to the floor, and it kind of just annoys the hell out of you, especially if you're in the middle of doing some recording. However, this one, man, check that out. That's got a cup on the, it's like cupped on the inside, and there's rubber on the inside, and that kind of keeps it from bouncing around and moving on you while you're going down the road. Now, I ended up getting 2 of them because, you know, sometimes you got to record from way over here, or you want to record from over here, or you have your phone that you're actually navigating with on this one, and you're doing your recording over here for like an overlanding thing. So let's take a look at this dude. Here we go. You can kind of see it's got 360-degree pivot, swivel, and this is, that is a tough magnet, guys. Look at that. I mean, you bump on it and go down the road, works really well. NiteIze, you know, I thought they were only doing carabiners and shit like that. I know they have a couple of flashlights, carabiners, and the wallet and stuff like that. That kind of surprised me, and there's all kinds of accessories that you can buy for that. And the thing I like most, their suction cup, it's a standard suction cup. It doesn't have that gooey crap on the inside. I don't know what that is that they're putting into those things, but down here in the South, I mean, my average summer temperature is 116 degrees. So you can imagine what it's doing, baking on that windshield. Why is my windshield wipers coming on? I guess I hit it with my elbow. Look at that crap. But anyway, 116 degrees, that gooey crap that was on it was kind of starting to squish out from around it and getting on the edges. And literally the car holder that I had before this was sliding slowly down my windshield. So, like I said, this is going to be a quick product review. NiteIze, you can see I've got one right here. And what I do like about it, you just kind of loosen that, and you just loosen up this nut right here a little bit, and you can adjust it to whatever height you want. Like in this situation, if I'm not using it, I'll take and spin this around, drop it into that position, drop that up there, tighten my nut up. And kind of keeps it in place and it's out of the way. And it's not getting direct sunlight on the pad. Now this one over here, I use it daily. This is what I use for my daily because I have my power cord right here. And what's really cool about it is you don't have to try to finagle it and try to figure out how you're going to put it in the dock. You pull it off, you put your phone in it. And so, hey, watch this. We're going to go ahead and do that. I know it's probably loud on y'all's end. There you go. The clip is on the phone. And see if I can do this without jarring the crap out of it. There it is. There we go, guys. So, once again, NiteIze, it's called the Steelie. There's all kinds of little attachments that you can get. These cups for your dash, for your vents. You can actually put one directly on your phone case. That's what's really cool about these products. So, like I said, quick product review, Nite Ize Steelie, check them out. I really dig it. I think this is going to be really good for whenever I go doing some off-roading. And this might be pretty cool to do some video recording with. So with that, guys,